everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the Goodwill. All right, let's see what we can find today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels, guys. So this is a nice little blue set here. It's not really my style, but I like showing you guys stuff. Whatever it is, let me just show you. I am liking, there was a time where I didn't like roosters, guys, and I tell you, I'm really liking them now. I think there's something very sophisticated about them. All right, so then we have this kind. So they're not all the same, but let's see what we can find to match. So this one's $2.99, and so is this one. All right, so let's see. Let me see. I'm just kind of, I see two chips in it right there. Isn't that pretty? Let's see. And then the yellow one back here, I think this is, yeah, I like that plate. And this looks nice for summertime. So, I can't seem to find two of the salad plate. They also have this pattern right here for $1.99. And look at this. So these are like Christmas little side dishes. Is the flag. Oh, look, this reminds me of the Pioneer Woman, and it is. And then this one has my initials on it. Okay, let's see. So we got some teacups over here. This also reminds me of the Pioneer Woman, and it is. All right, guys, just kidding. So this one's $1.99. They don't. So they have these stoneware, okay, and then they have this. So I don't know, it's pretty heavy. It's $4.99. Some more of that stoneware stuff. Now I just spotted another rooster plate over here. All right, so let's see. Oh, I just found. Okay, so if I wanted these rooster plates, here's two, and then here's two of the yellow one. And there, look how nice that one is. All right, so let's see. So at the beginning of the last video I made, I just wanted to let you know, this looks like a charger, $3.99. I can't lift all of that. They kind of have, in this Goodwill, everything mixed together. So all of the holidays are out. They don't put the holiday stuff away. And so any kind of holiday, these are really nice, these yellow ones. And look at these sunflower. I like these sunflower bowls. They're so cute. $1.29. That's not bad for that bowl. And this is kind of, I'm not sure if I like these, but they're $2.99. And there is a dinner plate. So these are sunflowers right here. All right, and then we have some more dishes up here. There's something about the design on this mug that I like. So this is $3.99. Wow, that's expensive. For here anyway. Go ahead. Okay, guys, so and they only have a very small area too, so that's another thing. Where usually the other Goodwill that I go to, they have like rows upon rows of aisles with dishes. Okay, and then over there you have some glassware. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, how nice. But there was only one. God bless you guys. Amen.